Hi friend, my name is Wendy. I am so excited that you're here with me today. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're a returning friend, I'm so glad you're back. Okay, so we have things to discuss. First and foremost, I know I'm gonna get this question because every single time I wear my hair straight, I get this question. No, I did not change my hair. No, I did not dye it. It's the same. It's just straight instead of curly. And so I always get that question. 2, yes, I have my iced coffee with me. Yes, I do. We're here. We're doing it. So we've checked off the 2 most important things about this video, the hair and the coffee. So the other thing I have to share with you is the awesome new product I got from Pear Blossom Press. I literally got it yesterday. Well, when you're watching this, it would have been 2 days ago. But anyways, I want to show it to you, even though I don't have a card made for it, because they're already on back order. So you can still order these if you want to get your hands on it. But this is the coolest thing ever. Seriously, I'm going to take it out and try it with you. So this is the light. So if you don't know, Pear Blossom, I'm on Pear Blossom. Let me talk. I can talk. I am on the Pear Blossom Press design team. They make lights for cards, okay? So they have made a light that blows out. Yes, like a freaking candle. How cool is that? So check this out. I'm beyond the moon here. Okay, so they look like this. Just taking it out of the package. You get your batteries that come with it. Come on, get out of there. There we go. So I'm gonna break these apart. This is how easy it is to use. You just break them apart. So now I just have the one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, look at this thing. It's got like a whole, come on, focus, focus. There it is. Has like this whole little computer board situation happening. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna slip in my battery. Okay. Oh, it works. Okay, check it out. My dog just freaked out. Okay, watch. You turn on the light. Watch. You blow it out. I cannot right now. I cannot right now. Do you know how much fun this is going to be? I cannot wait. I cannot wait to make a card using this. It's going to come very soon. I just did not have time before filming this video to make a card to show this to you. So there's 2 options. You can get a 1-pack or a 2-pack. The 1-pack is $11.99. The 2-pack is $19.99. I cannot right now. I cannot. I'm so impressed. So, card and video coming soon on that. But I had to show it to you, and they are on back order, but you can still order them. So I'm going to link directly to these lights below so that you don't have to like chase around, figure out where it's at. Like literally I'll drink, because you got to get these. You got to put them on your list right now because I think they're going to be sold out over and over and over and over. So anyway, there's that. And then I also got this cute little coloring bag from Pear Blossom Press. So it holds markers and stuff. Very cute. Okay. But here's why we're really here. We're on this journey, friends. We are on this journey to redo my craft room in a way that works for my little reinvention of myself. So the thing I wanted to show you today is what I've ordered from Stamp and Storage. Okay, Stamp and Storage has been a long time favorite of mine. I absolutely love their products. Their products are pricey. I mean, they're not inexpensive. But in my opinion, they're a lifelong like investment. They're worth it. You could hand them down. It's an heirloom. Like I love them. So I feel like they're an incredible investment into my craft space. And this is something I've been doing for well over a decade now. So I don't feel like it's a waste, if that makes sense. So I reached out to Stamp and Storage, and they actually sent me a couple of things, and I am just over the moon excited to show these to you. And I'm not being made to make this video. I am an affiliate with Stamp and Storage, but I have never been asked to make a video for them or anything. I seriously just love their products. So I have to show this. I don't know if you know this, if you've ever got their stuff, but they now spray it white for you if you want, and assemble it. So check this out. Let's check out what I got. So here's the first one. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's all, look at this, look at this. It is beautiful. It's all sprayed and ready to go. So this is what, I did this on purpose because the rest of my stuff is in wood finish, not white. And I felt like if I did this, it would encourage me to get the rest of my stuff sprayed. So I'm going to make it a point to spray the rest of my stuff white so that everything matches and it's all white. Isn't this beautiful though? So there's this one. I got 2 of these. Well, let's see. I got several of these trays. These are just clear trays, and I'll show them to you here in just a minute. But let me get the rest out. Okay, what do we got in here? Let's see. I'm going to move this aside. Oh, this is just, what is this? Oh, this is a blending brush kit. They actually are not selling these anymore. This was like the last one. So I think they just sent it to me because they had one left. So yeah. Okay, so there's that. Oh, let me get this out of here. Okay, so I actually just shut the camera off because it was easier to get all this stuff out. So these are more of the trays that I requested. I love these things. I'll show you what they're for in a minute. Okay. And then this is my other carousel. Yay! So so this one fits like these bigger flat, no, opposite. These ones fit the smaller. So these are like for Tim Holtz Distress Oxides and stuff like that, and Distress Inks and Ultimate Inks. The other one is for these larger ones. So this is Pink Fresh Studio and the Lawn Fawn, Hero Arts, those. So I've got 2 of each now. However, like this one's white, the other one's wood. That's going to bother me. So I'm going to have to, you know, change them up or get the other ones painted. But that's okay because that's going to encourage me to do so. All right, so let me show you, whoops, what these plastic things are for. So I have one in here. I've got one in there. There we go. There's an empty. Okay, so these drawers are from Stamp and Storage, and they don't have sides. So what I do is I purchase these plastic trays, and they go in here perfectly, just like that. And then you can put stuff in here without it like falling out. And I just needed a few more of these, so that is what I got, so that I would have them and I could utilize these spaces without worrying about stuff falling out. Oh, there's my sequins. Let's not talk about that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything. Let me show you. This is gonna go, so I've got my 2 spots here. So I want my Distress Inks to go here. So this one will go here, and then let me grab my other one that has Distress Inks in it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move these onto the white shelf because this one needs to be sprayed now because this will bother me. And then I've got my middle section is going to be for like random inks. So things like Stays on ink. What do we have in here? We've got like, here's the Altenew Obsidian Pigment ink. No! Come on. Okay, so we've got, I think this is Honeybee. Yeah, we've got Brilliant White Honeybee ink. So I need to label all of these, which I did buy label stuff to be able to label these. It's like a thinner tape. So I'm going to leave this one here, and then this side down here will be like my other inks. These are all my Concord and 9th inks, and then we will have Mix and Match, Pink Fresh, some Hero Arts, and these also hold the cubes. So these are some Pink Fresh cubes. So that's fun. And then like this is Lawn Fawn, this is Hero Arts. So I can stick this guy right here. And now, oh please fit, there we go. Now we have absolutely plenty of storage for inks, right? So that was my goal, was to have lots of ink storage and not have to be worrying about if I was going to have enough ink storage. So that's what I got. I think that's it. I don't really have much else to show you today. I am just working my way through the organizing, cleaning up process, and it is a process. So my next thing to do is to make decisions about my stamps. So some of you gave me some really awesome ideas. This is how my stamps are being stored right now. I just have these acrylic totes, and they're just all in here with the dies, everything. The only thing I changed is I think I showed this actually in a previous video. Let me tilt this down a little. I did put my standalone dies in my die area so that I could get there. But one of you made a comment that I was like, well, no, I never thought of that. One of you said it would be easier for me for my like linking process and adding stuff to videos if I sorted everything by company, because when I'm using it as an affiliate, which I think I'm going to do a whole video on affiliate stuff so that you guys understand it, because I get a lot of questions about that. Well, actually I posted a Q&A. So FYI, I'm going to be doing a Q&A video. I might do it live. I might do it pre-recorded, but if you go to my not comment section, but well, you can just comment below this video. But if you don't want to do that, you could also go to a post that I put on the community tab on YouTube. And I just said, any and all questions you have for me, ask, because I'm going to do a Q&A video, because I've been getting a few questions about different things, and I don't care what it's about. You can ask me about card making business, Stampin' Up, you know, the transition situation, personal, business, crafting, it doesn't matter. You can ask anything. If I don't feel comfortable answering the question, I just won't answer it. But I'm pretty much an open book. I pretty much will answer anything. So, anyway, squirrel. I went down a whole thing there. Okay, so I think that you're right. I think I need to organize according to company and do like subcategories of like sentiments, flowers, Christmas, whatever, it within each company. That feels very daunting to me. So that is why I haven't done much with it yet. And I also don't have a lot of stamps, so it feels very manageable at this point. However, I have some orders coming that I placed during the 4th of July sales, and I'll be showing you those. I have another haul video for you coming out very soon of just random stuff I've picked up over the last month. And then my haul videos are probably going to stop, because I'm going to have to really watch my pennies and really be on a budget with my crafting. So we'll talk about that too. So anyway, I think that's everything I wanted to cover today. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. For those of you who have asked about my niece, she's doing great. Her baby's doing great. She'll probably be in the NICU for some time, but she's doing great. So all of that's good. So cheers, friends. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.